Good morning, everybody. So today we are making some smoked almond brittle, a request from my mother. I'm pretty sure she's giving it away. I don't think it's for her. And then she wants her peppermint bark. So we need to get this done so I can get her stuff shipped. So what we have is we're starting out with 1 cup of water, 1 cup of corn syrup, and I sprayed my measuring cup with some oil so that would come out easier. We have 2 cups of sugar. I have 2 cups of smoked almonds measured out. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke and 1 teaspoon, I have it over here ready, of baking soda. You will want to have your cookie sheet or an area with foil. I have a cookie sheet with the Silpat. If you're using foil, you'll want to butter that really well. Like 1 teaspoon of butter. So that pretty much all came out. I'll start out with the rubber spatula, but as it comes up, we're going to get this to a hard crack stage. With smoked almonds, you'll be putting them in at the very last, along with the liquid smoke, because they are already roasted. I sent this last year and apparently she gave some to somebody and they loved it, so she wanted it again this year. She wanted it during the, well, when she had asked for it, it was too hot to ship candy in the summer, and I want to get it done today. We have storms coming in, so I want to get it done and set up before the humidity goes up, because with candy making you want the humidity to be low. I'm going to turn this down. I turned my head. Can't be coughing in the candy. My allergies are not liking all this rain, all the leaves. We keep raking them, but we can't keep up. We live on a circle and everybody's stuff spins around up into our yard, and I think it builds up mold, like that outside molds, and my allergies don't like it. So I have my candy thermometer here, so as it starts to get bubbly, I will put that in there. It doesn't have a snap, so I have to do it like that. So you'll want to get it to hard crack stage, which I think is 325, 300 hard crack. So we're going for 300, but I will let it get a little bit higher since I will be putting in the almonds at the very end, and that'll drop the temperature. So I'll get it a little bit hotter than the 320 or 300. I'll bring it to 320. So you just want to babysit this. Keep it stirred and go around your edges so you don't have any crystallizing. Looks like it all is pretty well melted. And you can always use a pastry brush and some water if you see crystallizing around the edges. But I don't really ever have problems with that. Been doing this candy thing forever. Not doing a lot of it this year. It's pretty much for my mom. I'll make some for the next door neighbor, and since my other neighbors split up, the girls and the mom aren't there, so I usually did her family a basket every year, but I guess not this year. It seems so weird. I don't like change like that. Sad. So I'm just gonna sit here and babysit this, and when we get up to temperature, I will come back and we will start adding our stuff. Oh, and I do want to say you want to make sure with your liquids, your water, and your Karo syrup, your light corn syrup, you want to use the liquid measuring cups, and for your sugar and your almonds, you want to use your dry measuring cups. It does make a difference in baking and candy making. So anyways, okay, I think that's everything. Okay, you guys, we are where we need to be. This seems like it took forever. Almonds. See, it cooled it way down. Get those stirred in really well. And now going to add our baking soda. This will foam up on you. And there's no butter in this, so if you just used plain almonds, because I don't know if smoked almonds are vegan. This can be a vegan brittle. I'm sure there's some almonds out there that are okay. This is easier with two people. It's heavy. Very nutty. And that's it. Trying to scrape what I can off the pan. It's very hot, so you want to be very careful. I hope I'm recording. Sorry, I wanted to get that soaking. So there's our brittle, and as it cools down some, you can pull it. It's very hot. If you had the gloves, you could pull it. So we're going to let this cool, and then we will come back and break it up when it's ready. That's what it looks like. Shadows are from the lighting. It smells like barbecue in here, but it's just candy. So we'll let that cool and then come back and break it up and see how it is. It's a funky weather day. Oh, and the Orlando airport is out of jet fuel. Go figure. Okay, well, I got some of it pulled. I made a heck of a mess. And I'm going to use a moisture absorber, desiccant, because it is starting to rain. And if you can pull it, it's easier to chew. It's thinner. See how thin? So it's not so thick where you're breaking your teeth. See how easy it breaks up. See, that corner's thicker. So that is her bag. I'm not giving her all of it. And that'll just help with the weather not messing it up and making it all sticky. That can go to a neighbor or whomever. For Christmas presents or Christmas treats, whatever. And that's it, you guys. It's something different. It's kind of a wow when people eat it. That one just a big clump of nuts. Now I get to clean up my mess. I already got all the dishes washed. Now I gotta wash my stove. And then I get to make her peppermint bark. I don't know if you guys want to see that video or not. But I'm gonna lay a wash rag out on my mess over here. Soften up that sugar. I got a messy mess. So anyways, just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you enjoyed making a mess with me. If you're in this weather that's supposed to get really crazy tonight and tomorrow and hopefully be over after that. For some of us, tornado and storms. For others, a blizzard. So it's going to be an interesting 24 or so hours. So you all stay safe. You stay healthy. And you stay warm and dry and undercover. So anyways, I hope you went to the store. If you haven't, run to the store, get what you need, and I will see you all in the next video. If you want to see the peppermint bark, let me know.